Hello, everyone. Today, we are making keto roti step by step. I'm walking you through every detail, explaining why each ingredient and action is important. Let's get started. Step 1. Gathering the ingredients. We are gathering our ingredients because preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. For this keto roti, we need the following ingredients. 1 cup almond flour. This is our base ingredient. Almond flour is low in carbs and high in healthy fats, making it perfect for keto diets. Its fine texture ensures soft, pliable rotis. 1/2 cup coconut flour. We are adding this for structure and fiber. Coconut flour absorbs moisture, which helps balance the softness of the almond flour. 3/4 cup ground flaxseed. This acts as a binder and adds a nutty flavor. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, great for your health. 2 tablespoons psyllium husk powder. This is a must-have for keto baking. It mimics the elasticity of gluten, giving the roti a chewy texture. 2 tablespoons ground chia seeds. Chia seeds hold water and help bind the dough. Grinding them ensures an even texture. 1 teaspoon salt. This enhances flavor and balances the taste of the flours. 2 tablespoons ghee or olive oil. This adds richness and moisture to the dough. You can use coconut oil for a vegan option. 1 cup warm water. Warm water activates the psyllium husk and chia seeds, helping the dough come together. Step 2. Mixing the ingredients. Now, we are moving on to mixing. This step ensures all the flavors and textures blend evenly. Start by adding all the dry ingredients: almond flour, coconut flour, ground flaxseed, psyllium husk powder, ground chia seeds, and salt into a large mixing bowl. Why are we doing this? Combining the dry ingredients first ensures an even distribution of flavors and texture. You don't want clumps of salt or psyllium in your dough. Use a whisk or your hands to mix the dry ingredients thoroughly. Why is this important? Proper mixing at this stage prevents lumps and uneven cooking later. Step 3. Adding the wet ingredients. We are now adding the wet ingredients to transform the dry mix into dough. Pour the melted ghee or olive oil into the dry mixture. Stir it in gently. Why add fat now? Fat helps coat the flour particles, creating a softer and more elastic dough. Gradually pour in warm water, a little at a time. Stir continuously with a spoon or your hands. Why warm water? Warm water activates the psyllium husk and chia seeds, allowing them to swell and bind the mixture together. Keep mixing until the dough starts coming together. It should feel soft but not sticky. If it feels too dry, add a few more drops of water. Why are we careful with water? Too much water will make the dough sticky and hard to roll, while too little will make it crumbly. Step 4. Resting the dough. We are now covering the dough and letting it rest for 10 minutes. Why are we waiting? Resting allows the psyllium husk and chia seeds to fully hydrate. This improves the dough's texture, making it easier to handle and roll. Step 5. Shaping the rotis. After resting, we are shaping the dough into individual rotis. Divide the dough into equal portions. Shape each portion into a small ball. Why portion the dough? This ensures even-sized rotis that cook uniformly. Place 1 dough ball between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, gently roll it out into a thin circle. Why use parchment paper? It prevents the dough from sticking to the rolling pin or the surface, making the process easier. If the edges crack, press them back together with your fingers. Keto dough lacks gluten, so it's less elastic, but this step fixes any breaks. Step 6. Cooking the rotis. We are now cooking the rotis on a hot skillet. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Let it warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. Why preheat the skillet? A hot skillet ensures the rotis cook evenly and don't stick. Gently place a rolled-out roti on the skillet. Cook for 60 to 90 seconds on one side, or until bubbles appear and light brown spots form. Why cook one side first? This helps set the dough, making it easier to flip. Flip the roti and cook the other side for another 60 to 90 seconds. Press it gently with a spatula to ensure even cooking. Why press the roti? This ensures full contact with the skillet, giving you those characteristic golden spots. Remove the cooked roti and place it on a plate. Cover with a clean kitchen towel to keep it warm while you cook the rest. Step 7. Serving suggestions. Your keto rotis are ready. You can serve them with keto-friendly curries like butter chicken or paneer masala, low-carb dips like guacamole or hummus, Use them as wraps for grilled meats and vegetables. Tips for success: adjust the thickness. Roll the rotis thinner for a crispier texture or slightly thicker for softness. Avoid overcooking. Overcooked rotis can become dry and brittle. Storage: store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week or freeze them for up to 3 months.